here. Pretty much a lot was going on during Memorial Weekend. A lot of people, a lot of police, a lot of cars, a lot of fences, enclosed area with the fences. Just to prevent disorder on the streets, upon the streets. Все на ки. Luminous Park. We always Luminous Park under the name. This is the Lavender. People staying in line to get there. I don't know, stay in line.
Hey, we have
It got less space. It's not so convenient walking around here. Cigar. Doing a shop. You're gonna need maybe to buy swim gear. There used to be all area during coronavirus, all area has been occupied with these tables, chairs, the people were sitting, but right now it's a little bit cramped, less space. Fuck. I don't know, maybe should I buy, this is fucking $25 margarita cocktail. It's quite nice, very cold, very refreshing. This is the house, as I get it, house Giannini Versace has been killed upon these steps. Upon these steps. I've been filmed, some kind of blogger, been filmed with a blogger, but it's not blogger, it looks like the professional camera.
Respond to no deal with like that.
I think the footage is enough already. Huge amount of footage, I don't know what to do with that. Suban pizza. The Curious plus wings. The Curious. It's nice. It's like the beverage, the Curious. And wings, it's like buffalo wings, chicken wings. No, quite nice. Getting prepared in America, let's say.
They don't roll that.
How much footage should I produce? Else, I don't know. I get across road crossed. It's better to continue to go here, walk upon this plane. Less people, less cramped, more observation. You can see more details in details. But it's already getting dark. I don't know. Is the camera able to capture a lot of things? Under the such a light and not under the lack of light, I don't think footage is gonna be with high quality. Get here and get party 24/7. Getting party 24/7.
Súbete la minifalda hasta la espalda, súbete la oreja y show. Y ahora vamos a bailar por toda la banda. Mira, mami, eres un hippie. No importa si eres madera o eres hippie. Si eres de Bayamón o de Guaynabo, conmigo no te pongas friki. Esto es hasta abajo, cógelo de ti. Esto es fácil, esto es un mamey. ¿Qué importa si te gusta Coldplay? ¿Qué importa si te gusta Coldplay? Yo te lo juro de que por ley, aquí todos los boricuas saben karate. Ellas cocinan con salsa de tomate, mezclan el arroz con un poco de aguacate, cocinan alma de 14 quilates. Atrévete, te salte del closet, escápate, quítate, mate, déjala taparte, que nadie va a rechazarte. Levántate, ponte high, toca la chispa al esmalte.
Yeah, today is closed for the cars because of Memorial Day. Memorial Day we can celebrate Gardoza Hotel. I wish I had enough money to check in these hotels on the first line. It's not so expensive though, but I am not such a little bit skinned recently. Not a lot of money I got in possession. I couldn't afford to live in this hotel. Unfortunately, I wish I could afford to live in the hotels, but I couldn't. Unfortunately, I couldn't. Yeah, once again, guys, police everywhere, police, checking out the water, watering the water. That's nothing too bad going to happen with the police would have happened after the bed would have happened during the Polish presence. Okay, I think it's turned out a very long video, long footage. I'm gonna sign it off right now because I have my guess and there is not pretty much good quality of footage going to happen. I don't know. I can use the phone, of course, but right now I'm gonna need to think something to buy, get something to buy, drink. Yes, I'm thirsty. Okay, go this way. I am in Walgreens right now. I'm going to get something to buy for myself, but I don't know what something edible what we got. Cherry mixed fruit, cola. It's like it's not cold over here.